Many web applications have pages that are only accessible after login. In this video, we'll walk you through how to scan those protected areas by recording a login sequence. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need the ZeroThreat Chrome extension. Once installed, go to the ZeroThreat dashboard and select the target web application you wish to scan. Next, go to the Scan method and, under Authenticated Scan, click the Start Authenticated Scan button. This will launch your target web application in a new tab along with the ZeroThreat Recorder extension. You can minimize the recorder window, but keep it open during the entire process. Now, click on the Stored Sequence Authentication button. Next you'll see two options, Full Scan, or Scan Recorded Pages and Actions. A full scan covers the entire web application, while a recorded pages scan only includes the pages you visited during recording. For this tutorial, let's select Full Scan. After clicking the Continue button, the recording starts. The ZeroThreat Recorder will capture all your actions. Begin by logging into the application with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate through 1 to 2 authenticated pages. The recorder will track these interactions. When you're done, log out of the application and click Stop Recording. Once recording is complete, you'll see an overview of your recording. Start by giving a template name to your recording. Next, choose how the application renders content. Does it use server-side rendering like WordPress, Shopify, or ASP.NET MVC, or client-side rendering like Angular, React, or Vue? Next, you can exclude certain hosts from being scanned. This is useful for excluding hosts with sensitive data or third-party integrations. The next step is authentication page marking. By default, ZeroThreat automatically marks one request for login, one for authenticated page, and one for logout. This helps the scanner for more thorough scanning. If needed, switch to the custom option to manually tag these requests yourself. First, mark the login request as login. Then, mark any page accessible only after login as an authorized page. Lastly, mark the logout request as logout. If you don't see the logout request, then you can also mark the page from where the logout action was performed. Finally, you have two choices. Click on Save and Exit to store the recording sequence for later use. Click on Save and Start Scan to immediately launch the authenticated scan using your chosen scan server. You can track the scan's progress and results in the Scans section of the ZeroThreat portal. That's it. You've now learned how to set up and record a login sequence and perform an authenticated scan.